Hi guys, this is a video tutorial on how to swap between the X and the circle button on your PSP. This is for the Phat PSP, the 1000. If you have a Slim 2000, you can always check out my friend's video, it's in the description. First off, what you want to do is, let me show you that circle is enter, X is back. What you want to do is close it, hold the R1 button and open it. Sorry about that. Hold the R button and open it. There you go. It should take you to the recovery menu. Go to registry hacks. The first one, it says button aside. Currently O is enter. The circle is enter. Click it with the X button. It should say currently X is enter. Click back. Go to exit. And there you go. That should be it. Now, as you can see, X is enter, circle is back. Thanks for watching, rate, comment and subscribe.